Welcome to the VideoProtects Dashcam Installation Video Guide. In this video, we'll be going over how to properly install a dashcam. In order to properly install our dashcam, we must understand everything that comes with it. This particular box will contain the dashcam VP220 with a 4G SIM card and a 128GB micro SD card installed, as well as the primary mounting bracket. The box will also contain the hardwire connectors necessary for the dashcam. This adapter will only be used if you are using the hardwired power method to power the camera. The power box to power the camera. Tie-down squares and cable ties for cable management. Alcohol wipes. Allen wrenches and screws for installation, and an installation tool to help with the removing of any trim pieces. First, remove the paneling inside of the vehicle to make the cable routing a bit more easy. It's important to properly position the camera to ensure the best performance possible. The camera must be installed in the middle of the windshield where nothing can obscure its view. However, we can perfect this placement after we plug in the camera. It is highly recommended that you don't remove the adhesive or place the camera until you get to the final steps of this video. To clean the windshield, utilize the alcohol wipes included with the camera and thoroughly clean the approximate area that the camera is to be placed. To attach the dashcam to its primary bracket, align the mounting bracket with the connection of the bracket facing downwards. There is a groove down the middle of the bracket to show which side should be facing the driver. Connect the camera to the bracket, with the groove side on the left side of the bracket engaged with those on the left inner side of the camera. Tighten the bracket bolt clockwise with a number 2 Phillips screwdriver. Before tightening, keep the camera as close to vertical as possible. The camera power method shown in this example is the 9-pin or OBD2 method, which utilizes the vehicle's diagnostic port. The diagnostic port is typically found behind the brakes of your vehicle. If you are using the hardwire connection method, it is typically found behind the dashboard of your vehicle. Plug the connector into the wire harness. Then plug the larger cords into the camera's power cable. If you have a telematics device like the Geotap Go, it must be installed in the vehicle prior to the installation of the camera. After the camera installation is complete, the camera and the telematics device are paired together in the Installer App or Device Association page in the VideoProtects menu under Configuration. After everything is connected to the wire harness of the vehicle, manage the cables and route them to the top of your dash through the vehicle siding. It can be very helpful to use electrical tape, cable ties, and a flashlight for this process. Once the power cable is on top, plug it into your dash camera. Now that your power cable is plugged in, you are free to manage your cables and tuck them out of harm's way. To ensure that your camera is being powered properly, make sure that your vehicle engine is turned on. Finally, it's time to use the installation app to get the perfect camera positioning. Use the Install app on your smartphone or mobile device to connect to the camera and pair it with the vehicle or telematics device it is being installed in. Once the camera and vehicle are paired, you can use the test video feature to preview the alignment of the road-facing camera before permanently mounting the camera. Additionally, be sure to peel off the blue film sticker that's placed over the camera lens to protect it. It may ruin your video quality and doesn't need to be on there after you install the camera. Finally, peel away the adhesive sticker, make one last wipe on the windshield to ensure that it's truly clean, and make the final placement of your dash camera. Once you finish tucking away your final cables and replace the siding back onto the vehicle, you have successfully completed installing your dash cam. For additional support on installing a dash cam video or for other support articles, visit support.jjkeller.com.